A leader is an admirable position to take up. Leaders have power and they have more control over where they want things to go. People look up to leaders, and while they're given more responsibilities, they often reap more of the rewards. But not every person can actually be a leader. Leadership takes skills and hard work that do not always appeal to every person working towards their goals.
Ang isang mamumuno o tagapasunod ay hindi lamang sa pansariling mithiin ang dapat na inaayunan, kundi sa ikagaganda at ikaaayos ng bawat isa sa isang organisasyon, nasa mataas ka man o nasa mababang posisyon.
Ang leadership ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagiging nasa itaas ng isang organisasyon o grupo, kundi tungkol sa pagbibigay ng tamang direksyon, inspirasyon at suporta upang magtagumpay ang buong grupo.
To be a great leader, one must qualities of leadership is strong communication skills, integrity, and the ability to inspire others. And great leaders is making a positive decision for the community, and also clear vision of the leader will be good his surroundings and others.
For me po, ang leadership ay hindi lang basta na ipapakita sa school o sa barangay. Maaari din itong ipakita sa inyong tahanan dahil ang pagiging isang leader ay hindi lang basta sa posisyon, dahil ito ay instrumento kung paano mo pamumunuan ng isang grupo. Kung tayo ay may qualities na may matalinong pagpapasya, iniisip ang kapakanan ng mas nakararami, iisipin lagi ang ikabubuti ng lahat, at patas at pantay ang pagtingin sa mga nasasakupan. Iyan ang ilan sa mga katangian ng isang leader o isang pinuno.
Leadership for a people encompasses personal growth, influence, responsibility, empathy, courage, service, and collaboration, vision, learning, and legacy. It is a transformative journey that shapes that individuals, relationship, and communities for the better.
Leadership is about guiding, inspiring, and empower to each communication goal. Effective leadership involves a communication of vision, communication integrity, and empathy, decision making, motivation, conflict resolution, and communication learning. Like a DRU, I am one member of which help people who need immediate rescue.
Leadership is characterized by respect for authority, community-oriented values, strong family ties, servant leadership, realization, cultural sensitivity, empowerment, and collaborative decision-making. Like parents who practice servant leadership by putting the needs of our children first, ensuring they have the resources, guidance, and goals to succeed.
A leader, in short, is someone who inspires and guides others towards a common goal, and the ability to motivate and empower those around them. Leaders possess a clear sense of direction, serving as role models and driving positive change within their teams or communities.
Leadership ay isa sa pinakamahirap na responsibilidad na ginagampanan ng isang tao. At kung minsan ay hindi natin alam kung magagampanan ba natin ito ng maayos. Magiging successful kaya ako? Tayo bilang isang leader. Ito ang kalimitang o haka-haka na pumapasok sa ating mga isipan. Dahil karamihan sa mga taong nakapaligid sa atin ay nagbibigay ng mga negatibo o kuro-kuro sa atin bilang isang leader. Mga taong hindi ka tutulungan sa pag-unlad, bagkos ay hilahin ka pababa.